हाय देयर, वेलकम टू पंचायत विद परिता। आज का हमारा टॉपिक है ऑपोजिशनल डिफायंट डिसऑर्डर, ODD। ये किन लोगों को होने के चांसेस हैं, इसका प्रेजेंटेशन क्या है एज पर DSM-5, और अगर आपको ये प्रेजेंटेशंस नज़र आते हैं अपने बच्चे में तो आप क्या कर सकते हैं। फॉर स्टूडेंट्स, you just follow what I'm discussing with the parents and you will get a hang of what ODD is. So before waiting any further, let's begin. To begin with, ये 5 to 17 years तक के बच्चों में नज़र आता है। It's a childhood diagnosis. And it is under the category of disruptive impulsive control and conduct disorder. Defiance, oppositional defiant disorder, boys के अंदर और girls के अंदर दोनों में पाया जाता है, and it have different presentations. Normally boys में around 12 years of the age you will see lots of aggression, aggressiveness, acting out, throwing things, breaking things, fighting with others, and not listening to anyone, not considering what adults are saying around. These are the presentations. In girls, they are more of a passive aggressive kind of presentations, and normally teenage में kick in होता है। तब तक you will see that children are doing fantastically fine. There is absolutely no problem. चिट्ठी के चाकर जो आप बोलो वो कर लेंगे, और अचानक से you will see there is this difference in their behavior and attitude, and they would present the symptoms of ODD. Girls will go passive aggressive, as I said. They will show, they will give silent treatments, they will take the pictures, they will bully other people, and they will be aloof. These are few of the red flags of children dealing with ODD. It's very similar to children maybe dealing with ADHD or depression. So you need to have a proper psychologist or a psychiatrist to give the diagnosis, authorized one, and to work with the children who is dealing with this stuff. Risk factors. One is temperamental. बच्चे जो अपने इमोशंस को ठीक से रेगुलेट नहीं कर पाते, वो लोग काफ़ी ट्रबल में आते हैं, उनकी ट्रबलिंग सिचुएशंस में आते हैं, एंड दीज आर द चिल्ड्रन एट रिस्क। अनदर वन इज़ पेरेंटिंग इश्यूज, जहाँ पे नेग्लिजेंस है, हार्श कमेंट्स है, अथॉरिटेरियन पेरेंट है, लैक ऑफ पैरेंटल सुपरविजन है, वहाँ पे भी बच्चे इनकन्सिस्टेंसी इन द डिसिप्लिन दिखाते हैं। देन अदर फैमिली इश्यूज, मे बी यू नो, हम लोग जॉइंट फैमिली में रहते हैं इंडिया में ज़्यादातर, एंड व्हेन दे आर कंफ्यूज एंड दे डोंट नो व्हाट इज़ बीन एक्सपेक्टेड फ्रॉम देम, sometimes with this up and down expectation, they may come up with these presentations of ODD. Environmental is where with peers, and they have been reinforced this kind of behaviors because of maybe bullying in the school, or you know, teachers not paying lots of attention to them or considerate amount of attention to them. And these are the children who are at high risk of having ODD. As with all mental health disorder, nurture and nature, anyone could be the reason of the disorder. And to know more, to know the cause properly, it is important to enter into therapy, and then with time you can find out the actual cause क्या है. It is very difficult to find out the cause, but anyways we are more concerned about how to deal with it rather than finding out the cause. So these are the people, the student and the children who are at the risk of ODD. And see you in part 2, where you will be able to understand the DSM-5 category and criteria of giving the diagnosis of oppositional defiant disorder. Till then, see you. Have a nice time. Bye-bye.